Penguin Huddles and Penguin Pals, Unit 6, Module 1, Session 2. Today we will solve addition story problems with sums to 20 involving situations of adding to and putting together with unknowns in all positions. Solve addition problems by counting on. Use strategies to add with sums to 20. Determine whether addition equations are true. Solve for the unknown in an addition equation involving three whole numbers. Demonstrate an understanding that numbers from 11 to 19 are composed of a 10 and some more ones. Work with penguins to help us solve more problems. Today the penguins aren't going to be diving off of a high or low ledge. They're going to huddle up in a group to keep warm. Huddling up together is something that emperor penguins do to keep warm. They take turns being in the center where it's warmest. Emperor penguins huddle up in very large groups, but today we're going to count small huddle groups. Penguin Huddles and Penguin Pals. Show me on your fingers how many penguins you see. 10. Okay, you need a whiteboard and dry erase or pencil and paper. Either one is just fine. How many more penguins need to join to make a huddle of 10? How many penguins do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many more do we need to make a huddle of 10? 8 plus equals 10. 8 plus 2 equals 10. How many more penguins need to join to make a huddle of 10? How many penguins do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many more to make 10? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 plus equals 10. 5 plus 5 equals 10. How many penguins to make a huddle of 10? How many do we see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many more to make 10? 7, 8, 9, 10. 6 plus equals 10. 6 plus 4 equals 10. Penguins 10 and some more. Here is a huddle of 10 penguins. 2 penguin pals are swimming toward the huddle so they can get warm too. How many penguins will there be in all when the 2 penguins join their friends? How many are in the huddle? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, plus 2 equals 10 plus 2 equals 12. Here is a huddle of 10 penguins. 6 penguin pals are swimming toward the huddle, but they're too far away to see. How many penguins will there be in all when the 6 penguins join their friends? We have 10 plus 6 equals 16. There were 10 penguins in a huddle. Some more penguins joined them, and then there were 14 penguins in the huddle. How many penguins joined the huddle? We started with 10 and we finished with 14. What is the difference between 10 and 14? 4. 4 penguins joined the huddle of 10. There were 10 penguins in a huddle. Some more penguins joined them, and then there were 17 penguins in the huddle. How many penguins joined the huddle? We started with 10, and we had to add some more to get 17. 10 plus our unknown equals 17. What is the difference between 10 and 17? 7. 7 penguins joined the huddle. Okay, you can pause here and print the student book page if you have that available. If not, you can make your own or just do the problems on another sheet of paper. How many penguins need to join each group below to make a huddle of 10? Fill the empty box in each equation to show. 7 plus 8, 9, 10. 7 plus 3 equals 10. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 plus equals 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4 plus 6 equals 10. Here's a huddle of 9 penguins. How many more to make 10? Just 1. Our huddle of 3 penguins. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3 plus 7 equals 10. Add 10 and some more. 10 plus 4 equals 14. 6 plus 10 equals 16. 10 plus 9 equals 19. Sorry about that. 10 plus 7 equals 17. 10 plus 5 equals 15. 10 plus 10 equals 20. 10 plus 3 equals 13. Fill in the missing numbers to complete these equations. 10 plus something equals 14. This is the same equation written a different way. So 10 plus 4 equals 14. 5 plus something equals 5. I have a feeling that's supposed to be 15, but we're going to make it equal 5. 5 plus 0 equals 5. 10 plus something equals 16. The difference between 10 and 16 is 6. 10 plus 6 equals 16. 1 plus something equals 11. 1 plus 10 equals 11. Challenge problem. There were 7 penguins on the ice. Some more penguins joined them, and then there were 13 penguins in the huddle. How many penguins joined the huddle? Write and solve the equation below. You need to find the difference between 13 and 7. 7 plus something equals 13. And if we were in class, I would have you draw 13 penguins or tally marks or circles. We've talked about it's not about the art, it's about the quantity. So I would do 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on tally marks. Underneath that, I would draw 7 tally marks underneath, and then I would look at the difference, which is 6. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you tomorrow.